Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to remove NoData value from a satellite image. So first of all, you should go for add data. I add my study area data. Okay, I add my health data. So you can see here that this portion have value of the pixels, that's why it's showing white, and this portion has no value, so that's why this portion is looking means showing black. So you can identify properly. So go to the identify tool, select the identify tool and click on the black spot. I click that, you can see here that there have no value, means 0. Okay, if I click on the white portion, there have value 177. Okay, I hope you understand. So go to the catalog toolbar, means catalog bar. Okay, and then go for the file. I go to my EDS, and after edits I go to my file, where go to my folder where my data is available. So okay, now click on the data which is add here on the page and click on right click, and after go to properties, and there you can see the raster dataset properties, where is the general information showing, raster information showing, and there you can see the no data value. Okay, then you go to the edit option of no data value. You can see here is no data, so compute it. I compute it just, so it's showing 256, but there is no value. Okay, so just put it 0 and okay, apply, and now okay, you can see the changes. Wait and watch. Yes, so I hope you understand properly, and if you want to do any type of project work or any type of dissertation thesis work for your master's project or graduation project, you can contact with me. I give my contact number in the thumbnail or also in the screen. Okay, and if any type of help about and any type of query about GIS and remote sensing and geography related, feel free to contact with me, and feel free to comment in the comment box. So okay, tata, bye bye, take care, be unique, stay tuned.